You just installed Windows 11, but if you don't change these settings right now, your PC will be slower, less private, and frustrating to use. Hey everyone, welcome back to Mendit Tech. If you've just installed Windows 11 on a new PC or laptop, this video is extremely important. Today, I'll show you the most critical Windows 11 settings you must change immediately after installation to get faster performance, better privacy, less lag, longer battery life, a cleaner, smoother experience. This works on low-end and high-end PCs, and everything is safe and beginner-friendly. Make sure you watch till the end, because the last settings make a huge difference. Setting number 1. Change power mode. Your PC might be slow just because of one power setting. Steps: open Settings, System, Power and Battery. Set power mode to best performance. Explanation: by default, Windows limits performance to save power. Switching to best performance unlocks your CPU and improves responsiveness instantly. Tip: for laptops, use balanced when on battery. Setting number 2. Disable startup apps. Your PC starts slow because apps you never use are loading secretly. Steps: press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape. Go to Startup Apps. Disable unnecessary apps like Spotify, Teams, and launchers. Warning: do not disable antivirus or system drivers. Setting number 3. Turn off visual effects. Windows 11 looks beautiful, but beauty costs performance. Steps: press Windows plus pause. Advanced System Settings, Performance, Settings, select Adjust for best performance. Result: smoother animations, less lag, faster response. Setting number 4. Disable transparency and animations. This single change can instantly reduce lag. Steps: Settings, Accessibility, Visual Effects, turn off transparency effects, animation effects. Benefit: lower GPU usage, better speed. Setting number 5. Turn off tips and ads and suggestions. Yes, Windows shows ads, and they slow your PC. Steps: Settings, System, Notifications, turn off tips and suggestions, welcome experience, device usage suggestions. Setting number 6. Optimize search indexing. Windows search is always working, even when you're not. Steps: Control Panel, Indexing Options, click Modify. Remove folders you don't search often. Result: lower disk and CPU usage. Setting number 7. Disable OneDrive Auto Sync. Cloud Sync could be killing your performance. Steps: click OneDrive icon, Settings, disable Auto Start. Pause syncing if not needed. Tip: manual sync is much safer. Setting number 8. Remove widgets and taskbar clutter. These tiny icons are stealing your PC speed. Steps: right-click taskbar, turn off widgets, chat, unused icons. Setting number 9. Fix privacy settings. Windows 11 collects more data than you think. Steps: Settings, Privacy and Security, turn off diagnostic data, activity history, app permissions you don't need. Bonus: better privacy means less background activity. Setting number 10. Clean temporary files. Your PC is full of junk files after installation. Steps: Settings, System, Storage, Temporary Files, remove. Tip: do this monthly. Setting number 11. Check Windows Update settings. Updates can slow your PC at the worst time. Steps: Settings, Windows Update. Set active hours, disable unnecessary update notifications. If you changed these settings, your Windows 11 PC should already feel faster, cleaner, and smoother. These are the most important settings to change right after installing Windows 11. If this video helped you, like the video, comment "Done," and subscribe to Mendit Tech. And if you want advanced Windows 11 speed, privacy and performance guides, check the full playlist on this channel. See you in the next one.